here in St. Thomas. I'm having so much fun. And I want to do a quick video on what you can do while you're out here. Now, a lot of people don't understand me. They don't understand how I can have so much fun by myself. But the thing is, if you can't travel by yourself or be alone by yourself, that's a problem. That's it. I'm not the weird one, okay? So, first thing that you can do is go to a resort. I prefer to be at a resort compared to an Airbnb. I always choose to be with tourists anywhere I go. So keep that back in your mind to take that consideration. At my resort, they have a list of things you can do. They have a list of activities. Some of them, you know, are cool. You can pick and choose something that you do. They have a fitness center. I love that. I already went to the gym already. They have water aerobics. It's a list of things to do, keep you occupied. So that's just like for the chill vibe, especially when you don't want to do anything or you don't know what to do. Just chill. And also the pool. Now here, unfortunately, they do have a lot of sarcasm. Am I saying it right? Sarcasm? So basically it's a smell. It does smell bad. But they have free shuttles to take you to the local beaches out here. So they have Koki Beach. That's one of my favorites. A lot of people don't like that beach, but me, I love it. So they have Koki Beach and Sapphire Beach. Those are literally right next to each other here at this resort that I'm at. So I've been going to Koki Beach. Koki Beach, they have music, they have live bands perform sometimes. They have bonfires. It's a whole vibe. And I have fun at the beach. You know what I mean? I just got a towel, lay down, read a book. You know, it's fun for me. And also I like to get content and show off my swimsuit. I've been working out at the gym, of course. So that's something that you can do, just something cool, chill vibes. Now, let's talk about the nightlife here. Well, hold on, let me go back. If you're an activity person, you like to do dune buggies. They have oh my god, I can't think. I'm having a list of stuff, but I did the dune buggies before, and it was a little terrifying for me because we were all in the mountains. Yeah, and I believe it's like 175. It's around that. It's not more than $200 to do the dune buggies. But if you are a daredevil, that's all for you. Let's talk about the nightlife. I am about to go out. I'm hanging out with the locals now. Me personally, I love to hang out with the locals. I want to see how they party, how they get down. But this island is not really a turn up island like that. Like when I went to Aruba, it was lit. Okay, it was lit. So out here they have a strip of bars you can go to. It's Red Hook. Literally is about 15 minutes away from here. And mind you, taxi. Everywhere is taxis, and they charge per person. Yeah, per person. So anyway, it's a 15-minute ride to Red Hook, and then at Red Hook is different bars and restaurants. People just bar hop over there. I'm going to a new spot tonight. I'm going to, like I said, I'm part with the locals tonight. I'm going to be vlogging, of course, so make sure to subscribe. And so yeah, the best bet is to go on TikTok. That's what I did. Go to TikTok and find things to do in St. Thomas. But yeah, that is basically it. That is it. I think that's my ride. But that is it really on what to do out here. Just make the best of it. I feel like it's a safe space. It's a safe place for me. Like I said, I've been out here. This is my third time being out here. This is my first time doing a solo trip, and I'm having so much fun just living life. So yeah, those are it. Those are things you can do out here in St. Thomas.